Today I'm going to be reviewing DEWENWILS wireless remote control outlet. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. Kind of excited about this. Let's go open this up, plug it in, and see how well it works. All right, got the box open. There's the controller. There's the plug-in. Here's the remote. I'm like, oh crap, do I have batteries? I don't need batteries, everyone. Let's just go ahead and pull that. We got it on and off. I'm going to plug it in. I've got one item. We're going to see how well this works. We are plugged in. All right, so here's the remote. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. There you go. Look at that. All right, so there's 2. Turn it off. I can hear it clicking. So I'm on outlet 2, turns it on. You can turn them all on. I'm not doing them all. I just wanted to see how well this works, and then you can just turn it all off. I mean, for hard to reach areas, this makes a lot of sense to have something like this, to be able to have a remote control, be able to turn outlets on and off, especially if you don't want to rewire. Maybe you're in an older home. Perfect solution for you. This is an Amazon Choice, 4.8 stars, over 700 reviews, and last month, 1,000 of the remote and the controller were sold. So people are buying it, people are liking it. It's a perfect solution for no wiring. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.